Seneta wa kaunti ya Kitui Enoch Wambua ni wenda serikali yeke kutunga ngui na kuthaukia ene nthiko konianivi cia misi ila yanenganie lingilia malelu manene makwemesilite ithekanisyo mathiala maendeye kuongeleka kila muthenya vate kindu ene nthi mekwivwa ni serikali. Kiyo ni wakulia nzama ya mbunge ya Senate ya malelu na ukui imwite minista wa ukui Kipchumba Murkomen mbe wa nzama ini kana kunengane uelesyo wina utheu yulu wa ndivi na niki iseletwa muno aiwete kalima kaunti ya Kitui ala mathukiye lelu wa Kibwezi kuthi Kitui wakwe mayaisa kuiwa ndivisyo ni serikali. Benjamin Mwaka alivoti.
Senator Enoch Wambua no weta muvango wa serikali wa kuiva ene nthi ala mathukiye malelu kwa kuithekanisyo ni kindu cha ilokoso kwa wito munene ni serikali. Na muno ikalima kaunti ya Kitui ala maende kuithia ndivi kumana wake wa lelu wa Kibwezi kwisila mutomo Kitui ngina musino wa mwinge ala wenda meki wa mustali nwambe wa ndivi ino.
Just slightly amend the direction on the list of the people that are being compensated for land to also include, because this is a live matter before this committee, the compensation for pubs from Kibwezi, Mutomo, Kitui, Mwingi Road. Well, it's a live matter in this committee.
Okay. Yes. Dhino nena nyaumbe wa nzama ya mbunge ya Senate ya Maunduma malelu na ukui. Nzama ini ya weta ni vangi tekuita maofisa nene manzama ya Maunduma itheka NLC no kana kutandi ya wanda mathie ala NNV isio ni kodhaganyo mataiza kuivwani serikali. Onetina wakwadhuki ya malelu itheka nisio wana mivango ila hivo ya kuminukilia ndivi ino.
I direct as follows. That the CEO, National Land Commission, should appear before this committee to appraise the committee on the pending bills when it comes to compensation to acquired land. We need to know how much that NLC owes the people of Kenya.
Ndinthino kialoki na kila nzama ino ya mwike ya Kithimini Director General wa uungami wa malelu manene Kenha Kungu Ndungu kukonya ni visi aine nthimo isloni malelu wa Western Bypass va ilovi vala Senator Enoch Wambua ingi wakulia vatonekana serikali kunikile vata wambe ene nthima ivo mathiemo halama taite serikali na nduva kuendea na milati mingi imbia ya maendeo.
And to date we have a total balance, that is monies that we have not paid the affected persons, 1,381,384,765 shillings that is not yet paid to the project affected persons.
Is that to say that we are not sure whether they'll be compensated?
Chair, for sure the project affected persons will be compensated. I may not be in a position at this moment to commit that they'll be funded within this financial year or the next financial year fully, given the budgetary constraints that we are going through.
When we passed the pending bill motion by Senator Ladama, and under the law, pending bill is the first charge. So when the DG says due to budget constraints, we will pay when the money is available, he should be telling us even if there are budget cuts, it will be in the interest, because we have passed a motion that says all pending bills, and these extrapolated from counties, must be the first charge. That is the law.
Our people, honestly, our people are suffering, seriously suffering. If you're going to acquire private land or private property for public use,
yes,
compensation is supposed to be prompt. So 5 years down the line, we have people whose land has been taken, and those who are supposed to be told now, you relax, there is a road that is serving you. But now it's hurting them many years down the line. That conversation, Chair, on pending bills is a conversation that I would interest this committee to consider having a substantive conversation with the CS, so that even if it means then we stop new developments and first clear the backlog of especially people who are affected by projects, that would really be a good thing.
Na yumetho onde meidwa masia isi nzama iku kwenye undu kumikala ata serikali kumwitika mwene nthi Valanza mai vani kumwita mbewo minister okui na Malelu Kipchumba Murkomen kunengana uelesio Molikangu.
Once we sit with the CEO and we get this information, the next thing that we are going to do is to invite the CS, Roads and Transportation, that is Kipchumba Murkomen, to appear before the committee and give his commitment on the conclusion of these issues once the committee deliberates and comes up with further recommendations and direction.
Vilingwa mauvo kwa musini wa Ilovi, Nito Benjamin Mwakam.